Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not coming problem. To do this, first check your SIM and network connection. And now go to your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Now search for your WhatsApp app. Tap on WhatsApp. Scroll down and now tap on storage. And now clear your WhatsApp data. After delete your WhatsApp data, go to your Play Store and search for your WhatsApp app. And check update your WhatsApp. It's already updated. Open your WhatsApp. And now type your number correctly. Now try to log in your account again. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem.